2002 Ford Thunderbird convertible here at Unique, especially in classics. Clean Carfax car, no accidents indicated. Actual miles at 47,130 is all. This is a hard top and soft top car, as you can see in the background. Red matching top with porthole. Underneath the hood, that 3.9 liter V8 power, paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Take a look at the chrome grille. Front fascia nose in the car. Red paint showing well on this one, as you can see. It's not full of any major rock chips, dings, scratches up front on this one. You might have an imperfection. The car's been driven a little bit, but overall, paint shows well. It has the two-tone interior. I love this combination of that dark charcoal and red leather bucket seats. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, cargo area, top up, top down, hard top on. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all those still pics. Click on the link down below the video in the description. That'll take you right to our website. Or you can always call us, 507-386-1726. As you can see, the chrome Thunderbird wheels, and those are in nice shape, as well as Vogue tires. Those are date coded 2022. Good shape. A couple other notes from the technician on this one. Said it drove out great. It brakes nice and straight, and the brakes are 90% in the front, 60% in the rear. And it is turnkey, ready to go. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, heater blows hot. You can see up and down the passenger side of this car. Again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Whoop, sorry about that. Once in a while on these red ones, especially the really shiny red ones, I lose focus on that camera a little bit, but there we got her back. There you can see the bucket seats, center console, electronic dual climate control, AM, FM, CD changer in the dash, and you can see convertible top cover. Those always fit nicely in these cars. Little touch-up spot right there in that bumper. Pretty minute. It's also going to come with a car cover. Again, you can see that paint in nice shape. Looks like it's wet. Yes, it looks as good in person as it does the pictures and the videos also. Once again, all those still pics can be seen at UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like Thunderbirds, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. And again, you can see driver's side, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. That convertible top cover, great shape. And that will fold up and go right in the trunk. Let me pull that key a second. All right, power windows, power locks, trunk release down below. See the door panels, nice shape, as well as the seating surfaces. And again, that two-tone, dark charcoal and red. Just your typical wear of the leather seating surface from where the grain just kind of has its natural wrinkles, like a comfortable pair of shoes. Steering wheel controls for volume on the stereo, and of course cruise control also. Let's go ahead and fire this up. There's exact miles, 47,130, so 47,130.2. No check engine light, service engine soon light, anything like that. All that one is there is the seat belt. I don't have my seat belt on. There's an electronic climate control. AM, FM stereo is working.
Dates and times at Drummers Garden Center.
Top of the dash, looking good. Get that hood popped or in a bit. I wanted to take a peek in the trunk also. Show you the cargo area. So there's plenty of cargo area in these, and we'll go back up underneath that rear deck some also. So nice convertible wood room in the trunk. And let's listen. Sounds that you'd expect, nothing crazy over the top of the exhaust. Again, car cover. Of the hood struts on the T-Bird. There's the underside of the hood, that hood liner. Nice and clean and tidy. Doesn't appear it's been driven in any sort of inclement weather. There it is, 3.9 liter V8, good power plant. Plenty of power for this car. And nice and clean. These have become a lot of bang for the buck. You can get into one of these without breaking the bank. Have a fun, reliable summer convertible. Hardtop, soft top car. Of course, all your amenities with the power steering, power brakes, and AC. And again, on this one, AC's blowing cold. Push the button, the top goes up. Speaking of which, let's get that top up. Check out the condition of it. And then we'll get that hardtop on too. All right, and the top up, so you could see functions as it should. Roll the side glass up also so you can see how that fits. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Black fabric. Rear glass window, electric defog. No rips, tears, holes, really much wear at all. No surprises on that convertible top. Side glass on the passenger side fits nicely back above the windshield. There's the convertible top. I will show it going back down into the storage area, and then we'll get that hard top on that's in the background. We'll take a look at the condition of that, and Jason's going to take this for a drive. Let's get that hard top on and check it out. And last but not least, hard top on. So of course the two Bolts in the front that you need to screw and tighten down. Tool for those is in the glove box, and they tighten right up nicely, and as you can see, nice fit. Above that windshield, side glass also rolled up. There's that iconic porthole. Hardtop T-Bird has to have that, right? But paint's in as nice a shape as the rest of the car. Glass, rear window again, electric, defog. As far as putting this on, it does take 2 people lifting from each side. Easy enough for 2 people to put it on, and then just on the inside of these porthole windows, there's a little lever that flips to lock it down. Side glass on passenger side. Nice fit, nice condition top also. 2002 Ford Thunderbird, both tops, clean Carfax, low mile car, nice condition. Like I said earlier, a lot of bang for the buck, fun summer car. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those still pics. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Stick around just a bit longer. Jason's going to take it for a drive. And I forgot to mention earlier, the rack that the top was on stays with me. You'll get the car with the soft top and the hard top. That's how it'll be shipped. The rack is here for display purposes during the videos. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2002 Ford Thunderbird. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles so we can do these drive videos for you. This is an automatic right here on the center console. Nice bright red color with red contrasted black and stainless looking inside. Our gauges are working the way they should. Temperature gauge a little under half. Fuel gauge 3/4 of a tank. Tachometer and speedometer working as it should. Stereo sounds great. Got a little heat blowing today on a cool day in Minnesota. Very nice interior of this car. Black and red leather bucket seats. We have stereo and cruise control settings on the bottom of the steering wheel for easy access. Nice smooth ride from this Thunderbird. Of course, this is a convertible. We do have a hardtop on today with the porthole window, very reminiscent of the 50s Thunderbirds. Braking is nice and smooth. Power steering working well, as it should. Even the steering wheel matching the red and black color combination in this car. Check out all the pictures of this 02 Thunderbird at uniqueclassiccars.com.